Today is the day. We are in Benidorm's Old Town and historical city center, and we're about to show you the prices for hotels right now, end of July, beginning of August. The first one we'll be checking on today is the Hotel International that has been freshly refurbished not so long ago. It's situated just a couple of meters from the Poniente Beach, from the Port of Benidorm, and the Levante Beach is here nearby. It has a restaurant and a bar inside, and people from the outside are able to enjoy the buffet menu for just $12.99 in here. Also, here you have some pictures of the rooms that they have in offer. And this hotel right now, 2 stars hotel, has prices from 73 euros per night for 2 people in self-catering. And they have a rating of 8.0 on the booking.com official website, which is where you know that all the reviews are being verified, because if you're not a guest and you've not been staying there, you cannot actually send your opinion. This area is full the fullest. You will see a record amount of properties, of hotels and apartments here in the area, so that you would have a better idea on how different the prices actually are. In front we have the Milord's Suites. Great place. These are apartments, 3 stars apart hotel, and they have prices from 112, there's a difference already, of euros per night for 2 people, and a minimum stay of 3 nights required. 8.7 points on the booking.com website, which is already very good rating as per their clients. And obviously I get it, the situation and the location of it, it's better impossible. Just look at where it is located, right at the park of Elche and Poniente Beach, the Old Town, the Port of Benidorm. Everything is just a second away. The next one is Hotel Colón. This is a 3 stars hotel that has all the rooms have views towards the beach, towards the sea, and the Poniente walking promenade. This hotel has actually quite nice prices, 94 euros per night for 2 people. Don't have minimum amount of nights for stay, and 8.7 rating on booking.com. On the bottom floor, they have an amazing breakfast and snacks place, which is kind of like a restaurant slash bar slash cafeteria. And as you can see, privileged location once again. A lot of places that are located slightly closer towards the Old Town or right by the beach have slightly higher prices in this sense, but it's already up to you if you want to choose these ones or if you want to stay slightly inside of this area where the prices are way more affordable. Couple of meters from the Poniente Beach, there is the casual Pop Art Benidorm. This is a brand newly refurbished and changed hotel, 3 stars, and they have a price only of 63 euros per night for 2 people. Rating of 8.3 on booking.com. I've seen quite a few negative comments, although, about the state of some of the rooms, about the breakfast options, like restaurant options inside, like meal options as it is. And the good thing that people say is that obviously it's in a perfect location right by the beach. It's slightly more quiet, but clients do state that they need to do some better quality refurbishment inside of the rooms in terms of the walls, finishing touches, etc. Although from the outside, it's looking very nice, I must say. But please check the reviews before you book any kind of hotel here in Benidorm. Check it on booking.com, check it on Google, on TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor I wouldn't recommend so much because a lot of people put negative reviews to get some free stuff from hotels. That is still a thing, so be careful about this one. Trust more Google and booking.com. Nearby we have Zodiac, famous restaurant slash bar Zodiac that is actually working fully. It's going to be opening up slightly later on in a day. You have some takeaway food as well. And this is where the future Hotel Magic Phoenicia is located. It's going to be very, very different, and they are working on it. So we don't even have the prices for this hotel just yet, because Magic Costa Blanca Hotels chain is still doing everything they can to make it better and nicer. This is going to be a new concept hotel, Mediterranean style, really, really gorgeous as per their official photos. Here nearby, we have the hotel Tanit, it's called. 3 stars hotel. This one has breakfast included on the bottom, like bar slash cafeteria. And it has a price of 128 euros per night for 2 people, but it's with breakfast included, okay? Without breakfast, it would be about 100 euros, 97 probably. 8.5 ranking on the booking.com website, and great location once again. The lovely Voramar Hotel. This is the 4 stars hotel, the first one 4 stars that we've seen in today's video. And they have an incredible price online. They have prices from 58 euros for 2 people on self-catering. They have gorgeous upper rooftop terrace. They have incredible installations inside. It's renewed. It's very, very quality type of a hotel here in Benidorm. And the basic rooms are only less than 60 euros per night. How affordable is that? It's way less than even some of the 3 stars hotels here in Benidorm. And location is just the best. Next to the tapas street, which we filmed for you here on the channel, there is a small place which usually it's really, really busy, and it's difficult to find accommodation and free spots out here. Hi. But this is the Hotel Queens B&B. Lovely place. This one is adults only. They state like adults recommended. And they have prices from 99 euros for 2 people on self-catering. And you can actually see some more pictures out here on how it's looking like on the inside, especially how the rooms are looking like. A lot of the hotels, if not all of them that we see in today's video, do have air conditioning inside. They do have all the basic things that you need, so don't worry about it. These are like nice quality hotels, the majority of them. And now in the historical part of the Old Town slash city center, we have the Hotel Alameda. This one, we filmed it for you guys actually here on the channel. One of the first ones of first official inside tours that we did. And you can check it out here with the link below. In the first comment, you'll see all the videos related to today's video tour. And this is a 3 stars hotel. They have prices from 87 euros per night for 2 people in self-catering. 8.5 in booking.com. Right here next to the tourist information office in the heart of the Old Town, basically, we have very, very nice DC boutique apartments. This is Don Cesar boutique apartments. Absolutely love the design of this place. They have a lot of nice quality apartments, both for families or just for couples. Incredible, as you can see it here on the picture. And this place has apartments starting from 100 euros per night, and they offer discounts on website. Shocking 9.2 rating on the booking.com. But you'll get why. Look at this. They are situated right at the end of the Levante beach with these gorgeous, incredible views towards the Mediterranean Sea. A lot of bars, restaurants, and cafeterias nearby, and right at the beginning of the Old Town, which is why it's very, very difficult to get a spot in here. But I'm sure you get now why this is the case. Imagine waking up with the views towards Benidorm Island, the Old Town, and the famous Levante beach. Right here next to the tourist information office, we're going to make a turn and climb up towards the Old Town viewpoints. This right here, this street where we are heading, we could go down any of them, but this one is my absolute favorite. This is the original street, one of the oldest in Benidorm town, which is called the Street of the Cat. This is the original street that's just been painted and refurbished a tiny bit, redone a tiny bit, but all these drawings like made with pebbles and small stones, This is all original, you guys, from when this street was actually created, long before the tourism kicked in hard here in Benidorm town, Costa Blanca, and Spain. And we are heading to a very, very nice hotel, which is a gastro hotel boutique. Incredible place, which is slightly of a higher price than we've seen previously, simply because, well, it's amazing quality place, gorgeous views from the old town, and inside it has one of the best rated restaurants in the whole entire Benidorm. Right here next to the famous church is situated the Gastro Hotel Canfali. Inside they have a restaurant that's called Devora, and this is a perfect place for celebrations, but you need to book it in advance and make sure that they have some spot because it's quite a small place. Hotel Canfali has priced from 137 euros per night right now. It's a 4 stars hotel once again, and the price is for 2 people, and they have 8.9 rating at booking.com. But just imagine waking up, having a cup of tea or coffee with these views towards the whole entire Levante Beach and Rincon de Loige. Even I would love to stay here at least for one night. From here, there's a lovely square where you can enjoy the views, typical Spanish flowers, and some summer markets that are taking place right now in the peak of the season. Right on this square as well is where we have a lot of usual apartments for rent that are rented by just their property owners, which you can also find for a very cheap and affordable price, and have views towards the old town and the small beach of Malpas. Take into consideration that here there is a church, so there might be a lot of bells ringing. Some more places. Hotel Condestable. This is the one and only 1 star hotel here in Benidorm that we're showing you right now in the old town. Nice views, but somehow they have a price of 130 euros per night for 2 people. 8.4 in booking.com. Mirador del Castillo, very nice hotel, by the way, from 76 euros only per night for 2 people. Self-catering, 8.8 on the official website, you guys. These are only some, just a tiny bit of all the accommodation options here in Benidorm Old Town and traditional historical city center. So make sure you check it out before you book because the prices are very different. Bye, dears.